On today's Body Cam, we're checking out Defiant Universal Studios guests get harsh reality check from police. Ooh.
On July 24th, 2024, at approximately 4:15 p.m., Orlando police officers at Universal Studios responded to a disorderly group being escorted from the park. Within minutes, one guest's alleged threats toward officers and refusal to comply escalated the situation into an arrest on multiple felony charges.
Damn, this shit's so goddamn distorted. What the hell?
You guys trespassing them or what? Yeah? Okay. Alright. Now trespass on the property.
After being ordered to leave, the group repeatedly stopped, argued with officers, and delayed their exit from the theme park.
Stop one more time, she's going to jail.
Honestly, I like the one in the green. She's trying to stop the one in the black. The one in the black is going to get them all jammed up, man. Man, shut your goofy ass up. See what you doing. You and your people, man. Oh, Green getting locked up too?
Turn around, face the wall.
See, and that's exactly what I'm talking about. See, Green got caught up in Black's bullshit. I said Black is gonna get them jammed up, man. Cause I think Green was actually doing a decent job of at least trying to get them out, you know. But she got caught up too, man.
Turn around, face the wall.
Wow.
Don't ride me like that, bro. I'm a fucking woman, bro. Hey, I'm a woman. I'm a woman. Learn how to be a woman, you stupid ass. I never disrespect a woman.
You're all going to jail for trespass after warning.
Nope, kept stopping.
We gotta get them in cars. I got one car. Hey, do not kick me again. Now you got felony charges for kicking a law enforcement officer. Do that again and I'm going to put you in a harbor. You understand? This is Orlando. I don't know where you're from. You're going to find out how it is over here. Yo, can you take a picture without my consent? That's what I said. I know the law, my nigga.
Look at the look on his face talking about, I didn't do anything. I didn't do it. What happened to all the gang signs and popping all that bullshit you was talking? If anything, the two worst ones, in my opinion, is him and the one in the black. If anything, the other two, the one in the green, she was trying to get her going. And then the other one was trying to, he was towards the end, he was talking to her, the one with the navy blue shirt on or whatever. He, the other guy that they were with, he was trying to talk to her at the end as well, talk to the one in the black. Like, if anything, it's him and the one in the black. The other two, they just ended up getting caught up in the bullshit, man. I don't think she deserved it, honestly. This one.
Turn your wrist like this.
Alpha Lima on a Bravo. I was trying to show something.
What? Okay.
You put him in my car.
So you put him in my car? For what reason? For what reason? Because your ass get ahead of me? Because I'm the same size as you?
She got the whole group and arrested. This one right here.
Simple question. Do you need your handcuffs fixed?
I do, but I've been wanting to ask you a question. I've been wanting to ask you questions and you don't want to answer me. You're a fucking grown-ass man.
Let go of his hand. Turn your wrist either this way. There you go. Like this. You got multiple charges. And you got a felony charge.
I have a felony charge for what?
For kicking me. That's battery on a law enforcement
I
officer.
kicked you.
Yep.
Okay, so tell me what my charge is.
What's that?
Tell me what my charge is.
You get all the rest of the charges on the road.
I'm talking to you. You can tell me what the rest of my charges are? I'm talking to you. And I'm calm.
Okay.
And I'm calm now.
So now give me the
But
chance to speak.
look, you
Because
gotta...
you're asking me a
question. And if we're gonna sit here
I'm not gonna go back for
and I have to talk over you, then there's no need
I'm not
to
yelling
tell
at
you
you.
because then you're not getting
I'm not
grasping
yelling at
anything
you
that I need to
because
tell
we're
you.
waiting.
But you still talk. Instead of you're asking a question, but yet you don't want to hear the answer because you're still talking. Right? So in the city of Orlando, there's disorderly conduct, okay? Which is what you guys are creating at the park, okay? They want to do trespass, right? When the Universal Studios employees want to do trespass, okay? That means all those people that were there with walkie-talkies, they all work security or management for the park, okay? So at some point, you guys were being advised that you were trespassed from the property, right? If you kept stopping or refusing to leave, right, after giving multiple commands, then after giving multiple.
Damn, she can't shut up for nothing, man. Shut up and let him talk. And then at the end, if you got questions, ask. Damn, shut the fuck up.
Commands and everything like that, letting you guys know you're trespassed. Once you guys stopped again, then you were trespassed at that point. You're refusing to leave, so trespass after one, okay? Then on top of that, right, you were being arrested for that. Everybody else that joined and tried to resist officers and this and that were all being arrested, okay? Then when I came up to you and I had the physical ID, which is this ID here that I had, right? And I said, is this you? And you said, no, that's not me, Edward. And then you kicked me, right, which is on camera. Then you earned yourself a felony at that point, right? Because now you battered a law enforcement officer, okay? Do you have any other questions for me? I don't know. In your property, with all the cash in your Louis Vuitton purse. What else do you need?
That was not the reason I listen.
Listen, don't get yourself in more trouble.
Wait, let me ask you. Let me
listen. Don't get yourself.
She just explained all her charges, and her comeback is, that's not a reason to arrest us. Listen, I feel like the only ones that have somewhat of an argument is the one in the green and the other guy. The other two, the guy with the white beater, and this one, no. You keep walking, keep stopping, walking, stopping. The other one throwing gang signs, like, no, man, no. I honestly, out of all of them, the one in the green, I'm like, damn, yeah, the one in the black really got her jammed up for no reason, because she was walking. The only reason why she kept stopping was because she was trying to contain that one.
Let me talk to you.
Listen.
Can I ask you something? I'm not yelling.
Go ahead.
Okay, when people like supposedly got like trespass, whatever. But wouldn't you guys were like obligated to tell us before we trespassed? We had no idea.
We told you guys multiple times. It's all on camera.
Multiple times.
That means more than once. That means more than once.
I just.
So check this out. Now you talk. I'll let you talk.
Listening.
So listen, before you get yourself in more trouble,
No, I'm not gonna do.
stop doing that. Just stop doing that so you don't get yourself in more trouble, right? There you go.
Inside the patrol car, officers explained the reason for the arrest, but that didn't make any difference to the suspect's behavior. Freddie was ultimately charged with assault on a law enforcement officer, disorderly conduct, trespass after warning, and resisting an officer without violence. According to court records, some of those charges were later not pursued, while others resulted in plea-based dispositions. Other members of the group were also taken into custody during the incident, the details of which remain private. If you want more...
ShyGotEm.